you guys, Bill Davis here, your EastBay Realtor. I got an awesome property to present to you guys. This house is in Richmond, California. This is probably one of the most affordable cities closest to San Francisco, Marin, San Rafael area. You have so many different commute options. You have the brand new ferry building being built, which is gonna be finished in January of 2019. You can take a boat ride over to San Francisco. You have a Bart station that's literally less than 2 miles away from here, so you can walk there if you want. And this has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. It's perfect for a small family starting out, buying your first house, and best of all, you could buy this house with no money down. Yes, you heard me correct. Buy your first house with no money down. This also has a detached garage with lots of parking on the side. It's on a corner lot, as you can see, with lots of sunlight out here. But the thing is, you could build that detached garage into an in-law unit, potential rental income, bringing your payment down less. So if you want to access, call me today.